Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is D. Rich, and I represent a brand called the Western GQ. It's full of passion and a whole lot of fashion. Today, we're going to show you guys how to take black. Black is a beautiful color, but it's a base color in this episode. So I'm going to show you how to take black, turn it around, and transform it into color. Hey, stay tuned. It's Western GQ for the passion and a whole lot of fashion.
How you play the game with the people that writing the rules? Ain't the fame that I'm after when paying the dues. I've been through the pain that's reflected in the attitude. Might be winning now, but the thing is that I had to lose. So go and tell me what you really want to do. And lonely at the top, cause there ain't a lot of room. Ain't no other option, that's all I ever knew. So I'ma get it poppin', you know how I'ma do. I've been down through the blood and the sweat. Guarantee you can know I'm a threat. I've been down through the blood and the sweat, and I ain't close to being done yet. I'm going all in.
Welcome everybody. Uh-oh. Come on in. Oh, it's Friday. It is Friday. And we're just gonna showcase a little fashion today, man. We missed a couple of days here, man, but we back. We are back and we are ready. We're back in black today, okay? Come on in, everybody. Come on in. We're going to showcase some high-level fashion today. Y'all come on in. I got a thrilling episode of Western GQ Fashion today. I'm going to show you guys how to take black, shake it up, right? And roll it across the table and hit 7-11 every time. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to make this black look real good today. And I got to stop. I gotta greet my girl Lucky Charms in the building. What up, Lucky Charms? She's in the building. Boy, I'm ready now. I got them clovers. When I see them clovers, boy, I know I got my watchdog in here, man. And my homegirl too, boy. I'm talking about, boy, I'm all the way around with my girl Lucky. Y'all come on in here, man. We're gonna showcase some fashion. And while y'all coming in, y'all tap that screen. Just tap it. It ain't gonna hurt you. Just tap it. Why? Because when you tap that screen, those lights come up, and when those lights come up, no different from the cowboys and Indians in the Indian days when they used to send those smoke signals, right? Well, that's what those hearts do. It lets everybody know that we are smoking in this live. So y'all come on, I'm gonna showcase a one-man fashion show, and I won't be long today, I promise, right? I promise. I'm gonna show you guys how to take your Western wear to a whole nother level. See, a lot of times you come in with your Western wear, man, you just know one thing: your hat, your boots, and your flannel shirt. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But sometimes the guys kind of spruce it up. They get them a real nice belt buckle, you know what I'm saying? They have they starch down shirts and they starch down jeans, man, and they square toe ostrich. They be ready. And sometimes the guys even put on a blazer. They be ready too. But what I'm gonna do is show you how to go a little bit higher with your fashion. See, I'm gonna show you how to take that thing way over the top into Western and GQ. Matter of fact, we're gonna start out just like this today, right? And let's welcome some people up in here, man. Make it a peppy. Just joined. Alma just joined. Allie 29 just joined. Angela Boone just joined, man. Y'all just come on in. Y'all got to, if y'all can't stay, I understand. Just come on in and keep going if that's what you got to do. But if y'all want to see some high level Western GQ style today, boy, you are at the right place today. I'm just telling you. You are at the right place today. Yeah. So let's keep it going for a little bit, man. So for those of y'all who do not know me, my name is D. Rich, and I represent a brand called the Western GQ. It's full of passion with a whole lot of fashion. And it's not all about just fashion, but it's the total personalities and expressions of passionate people that are doing extraordinary things. So what that means, if you are passionate, you too are extraordinary, right? Because your extraordinary ability comes out of your passion for what you love to do. Yeah, it's like the fire in your heart, a burning fire that moves your body towards whatever you desire. That is what passion is. It's the movement, right, that captivates the fashion. See, you can be passionate and stand in space in one place. You'll never get where you're trying to go. But if you're passionate on it, right, and passionate about it, you'll work at it. You'll strive towards it, right? You'll sweat about it. You know what I'm saying? You even cry about it because you want what you're trying to achieve. That's the passion in this Western GQ Live. So I am full of passion and a whole lot of fashion. So now that I've said that, let's get this one-man fashion show started. Making a pepperoni Clifton say I had a movement. It was awesome. That's what I'm talking about, man. See? What's up, Pepperoni? What's up, man? Come on in here and check out this fashion today, man. I'm going to show you guys some real cool stuff today, man. If you could just hang on in there for a minute, right? So, check it out. Jay said, you cut my hair once. Well, come on back, man. We can do it again. It wasn't luck. I know the haircut was awesome. Come on back. We'll do it again, man. We'll do it in this chair right here. Yeah. So anyway, man, let's get the fashion show started, man. Now, today is black. Man, black is a beautiful color. Beautiful color. And I love black because it's easy. It's easy to deal with. So what I want you guys and you ladies to know today that, hey, get you some black. Get you some black, and I'm going to show you how to deal with your black, right? Now, how we going to deal with it today, right? D-Rich? Well, we're going to add some color. Y'all, if y'all know who I am, I love color. I mean, color, man, just does something to not only your outfit, right, but to you. You don't believe me? Go into a dark room. Go into a blank room where it's just totally black, right? See how it make you feel. And then go into a room where it's vibrant, there's color, there's blues and yellows and oranges. Check to see how you feel then. It's a totally different feeling. So why not do it in your fashion? Do it in your fashion, Folk Chap. What up, Folk Chap? I see you, girl. I'm always seeing your name, and when I see your name, I just must say hello. Hello, Folk Chap. How you doing? Strawberry just joined. So let's take this fashion on down to where it's supposed to be going. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tuck in our shirt. And I got this real cool belt. I call this waist jewelry. Tuck that shirt in so now you can see your jewelry on your belt. See? Y'all call these things belts, but not me. See? I done graduated towards, past my belts. What up, real Miss Claus? This is what I call waist jewelry. You see how that just kind of like bring the outfit to life a little bit? You see how it does that? She said, hello, darling. And thank you for the rose. She always coming in here with something in her hand. Boy, I'm trying to tell you, boy. That's how you come into somebody's life. With something in your hand, she came in with that rose. The real Miss Claus even gave me the heart me. That's what I'm talking about. Let's take the fashion on up a little bit higher. Now, today, man, I got something I really want to show y'all, man. And I just can't wait to show you, right? We're going to show y'all two colors. And I'm going to show you that you can do it too. But it's all about accessorizing. See, first thing you want to do, man, most people always grab a tie. See, or I call these ties. Y'all may call it a scarf. But man, this thing right here, it just changed the outfit up so quickly. Real quick. Watch this. Bam, 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 bam. Look, quick. Don't even look like nothing. But man, it does it so quickly. Nicholas said, take me high. Nick, we finna go, man. We finna go so high today, boy. You gonna trip out. You see how that just changed up the outfit? Now check this out. I'm gonna show y'all all black because I want to show y'all the difference between all black and color. Hold on. We got our boots, okay? I love rocking these boots, man. Get you some black boots, right? Check it out. Here we go. We're gonna speed this up, right? Let's speed it up. Let's speed it up. Bam. I got my black, all right? Check it out. Y'all don't go nowhere. Y'all stay right here. I really want to show y'all this today. Look at that. Man, look, black. We're building a cowboy today. Nick, we're going to take you high, but I'm going to show you how to build a cowboy right before your very eyes. Look, Wrangler jeans. Wrangler. I love my Wranglers, by the way. Man, Wranglers, boy. Get you some Wranglers, man. Wranglers, boy, I'm telling you. That signifies that you are a cowboy, a cowgirl. Everybody got to own at least one pair of Wranglers, right? I got my Wranglers, man. My black shirt, my black tie, man. Check it out. I got me a black hat too. Look at that black hat. Man, look. Oh, look at that. I'm black. See? I'm black. Beautiful. Beautiful. But now, let's add some color. Ooh, now. See, what I'm trying to illustrate and show you guys, man, one of the easiest ways to take your fashion, your Western fashion at that, to high level, is black. Black is beautiful, man. It's a beautiful color, right? Some people say it's not a color, but it is a color. Black is a color. And it looks beautiful, and it's hard to mistake black or make a mistake. That's why a lot of people love putting on black. When you go wrong, put on black boots. When you don't know, get you a black shirt, right? Hey man, what color? I don't know, but I'm just gonna wear black. It's easy, see? But now let me show you how to, you know what I'm saying, mix it up and change it up and bring color. Y'all remember the dark room thing that I talked about earlier? Where it's black and dark, you can't see? Hey, let's bring some color. Now, check it out. The easiest way to add color is to put on a vest. Let me show you a vest. I got a real cool vest. Look at this vest. Real cool vest. Real cool vest. Come on in here. Come on in. You want to come and see? Come on. You ain't got to be on TV. Come on, slide through there. Come on, slide through there. She want to come to the live. Come on through there. She want to see my live on TV. Come on in there, man. She's scared. Come on in there. That's my good friend right here. Come on in there. Slide on through there. She wanted to come by and check out her uncle live on TikTok. I call TikTok live TV. So she came all the way from Fort Worth to be on our live show today. All right. So I'm just showing them blue. Y'all see how that blue just changed the color of that black? Let me show you again. See? I'm black. Black is good. Ain't nothing wrong with black, right? But color, man, listen. Color does something to your outfit. See how it just changed up the whole outfit? Like a whole different type of outfit. See, like yesterday, let's say, today, if I just wore all black and came in here with this new vest, nobody would even know that I had the same thing on yesterday because of the color. I'm just trying to tell you. See, Louis like that blue. See? Yeah, that blue. Boy, I thought you knew. Man, look at that. Guys, get you a vest. Invest in your vest, man. That vest is a lost art. See, a lot of people ain't rock these vests no more. They don't. But I do. But let's take the outfit up just a little bit high. Who want to go high with the D-Rich? I want to say, sharp as a tack. She loves it, see? See, the ladies will tell you, yay or nay. Man, she got okay and thumbs up, man, and pieces and smiles and kisses on her. You know what I'm saying? She loves it. But let's take the fashion on up just a little bit high. Who want to go high with the fashion? See how easy it is to start transforming that black with different items like hats and scarves, right? And vests. It does it all the time. But what we're going to do is take it on to another level, right? Why? Because it's just fashion. Hey, check out episode 2. What's the GQ? Fashion